Welcome back, Mustangs. I wanted to talk to you about our gym award. This was last year's gym award. Raise your hand if you earned our gym award last year. Raise your hand. Wonderful. You're gonna have the opportunity to earn our gym award again. If you did not earn it last year, this is what it looked like. This is what our students earned in gym last year. And so why am I showing you this? I'm showing you this because it doesn't matter if you're going to be online all year, or we come back to school, or everyone's online. We're going to be at school, or we're going to be at home doing school, and so everyone is going to have the opportunity to earn our gym award. How do we earn our gym award? Being safe, being respectful, being responsible, showing that Mustang pride, okay? Most of our students know what this means, and so what is showing our Mustang pride in here? Safety. If you're at school, we're wearing our mask. When Coach Parsons or Coach Maggie tells you, you're being safe in the class when we're moving about. If we're playing with equipment, hand sanitizing our hands before the game and after the game. What about responsible? What does that look like? That looks like, for online learners, is turning your assignments in on time. Every week we're sending out assignments, and so you completing those assignments and turning them in, that's being responsible. In here at school, bringing your planner and water bottle to class is helping be responsible. What does respectful look like? It looks like being good listeners, having our voice off, our eyes and ears looking at Coach Maggie or Coach Parsons, whoever's talking. If we tweet the whistle twice, we sit crisscross, showing our Mustang pride with our voice off, looking at Coach Maggie or Coach Parsons, having a great attitude, doing your very best, participating, helping each other out, helping out your teammates, and just being able to come in here and being able to help out Coach Maggie, Coach Parsons in our class. So that is how you're gonna have the chance to earn our gym award this year. So if you're online for the whole year or not, doesn't matter, you're still gonna have the opportunity to earn this, and this is what last year's gym award looked like. So let's have everyone earn one of these, showing that Mustang pride, and this is our gym award. All right, peace out.